Hello, I want to show you something. I am making some quick huckleberry muffins, and I'm starting with 2.5 cups of flour in my bowl, and then in my bowl I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and a cup of sugar. I get the organic sugar at Costco. And then I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, Himalayan pink salt. And let's see what else. 2 eggs. I could use egg replacer, but right here I took 2 teaspoons of ground flaxseed. I grained it up and I keep it in a jar in my refrigerator. And I put 6 tablespoons of water, and that's going to be my egg. It gets all gelatinous. And let's see, a cup of milk, any kind of milk you want. I am using almond milk. And 1/2 cup of either margarine or oil. And I'm going to mix this. A teaspoon of vanilla too. I'm going to have to run over there and get it. I forgot all my, that was the one thing I forgot. So let me grab it. I'm just going to eyeball a teaspoon of vanilla. That's a little bit more, but that's okay. Get some of these lumps out. Then I have huckleberries, and you can use blueberries. I have 2 cups of nice Montana huckleberries that I picked. I have my oven preheating at 400. And in another bowl, I took a little bit of the organic sugar, and I also put some brown sugar in here and cinnamon. And this I'm going to put on top of my muffins. So I'm going to take in my cupcake containers, and I'm just going to drop 5 spoonfuls my mix. Fill every single one of them, and then put them in. Oh, and then you'll put this on top. Put them in the oven at 400 for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so this recipe it makes 6 of the big muffins. So I'm going to put these in the oven at 400 for 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, I want to show you. I just took, and they're done. It took a little bit longer than 30 minutes. I waited till the stick came out clean. It came out clean. And there are gigantic blueberry muffins. The lighting isn't that good. I hope you enjoy and have a great day. Bye-bye.